Hey everyone, I'm finally back with another video and I got a whole new lighting setup because I couldn't take my softboxes here to the UK. So now I got a ring light. I hope it looks okay. But yes, today I'm going to be doing a shoe unboxing of the shoes that I got from Footwear. This is not sponsored, by the way. Wish it was, but I bought these with my own money. So today I'm going to do a review on them. Now I hope that these fit because I've only seen one review of these shoes, which was a video. I didn't really see any written reviews. So one video about these exact shoes, and the person who made that review said that they are usually between a 6 and a 7, I believe, and I got a 7 and it fit, and I am usually between a 6 and a 7. So I got a 7. This is UK sizes, by the way. It's kind of weird though, because in European sizes, which I'm more used to, I'm usually between a 40 and a 41, usually 40 and a half. 41 doesn't fit most of the time because it'll be too big, but 40 will usually be just too small, so I think I'm at 40 and a half. But all of the shoes that I have are either a 40, 40 and a half, or a 41, and most of them say that they're a UK 7. Only a few of them are like a 6 and a 6 and a half. So that's kind of weird to me. But yeah, I went for a 7. Let's hope it fits. If it doesn't, I'll buy a size up if I think that'll fit me. And then I'll report back with you once I got those. But for now, we're gonna unbox these and hope they fit. So they come in a box wrapped in some plastic. Did I just already say that? I don't know where my scissors. They're right here. Okay, so I'm gonna just cut this open and we'll see what's inside of here. I've never ordered from Koi before, so I don't really know what to expect. I've heard good things, but you know, let's see for ourselves. Alright, so there's this brown box, and I guess you just open it like that. I've seen people have different boxes, but this is the box that I got. I don't know if they're doing like a recycling thing now where they don't have the same kind of box, because I've seen people with pink boxes, but I don't know if they do that for every shoe, if that makes sense. This is saying it's a 40. I don't know if that's going to be a bad thing, because like I said, it's confusing with the UK size and the European sizes. Okay, so there's some tissue paper right there, which I just read some of it, and then the shoes come in this kind of, what would you call this, like a bag that's, I don't know what this material is, but it comes in a bag like that. Okay, great explanation. I'm amazing at explaining things. And here's the shoe. Ta-da! They're really pretty. They look a little bit scratched right here, but not too bad. I mean, that just happens to shoes anyway. Like, I've had expensive shoes come out like that. The box. These shoes are actually only £35 usually, but a lot of times Koi Footwear has a 25% off code going on, and I actually got them with a 30% off code, so I think I only paid about £26 or something like that for it. And then I paid about £3 shipping, and it came in 2 days. I ordered them on Thursday and they came on Saturday, so that's really good. That is for the UK, by the way, because I live in the UK now. I don't really know how international shipping and all of that is, but yeah, I only paid about £26. They retail for £35, and they are actually called the, let me look it up. They're called the DAGON High Top Bubble Trainers. DAGON, I don't really know how you say it, but it's D-A-G-O-N. And they go from a UK 3 to a UK 8 sizes, I mean. They are actually a copy, well, I wouldn't say a copy, but they look very similar to a very expensive shoe that I really like. You probably know what I'm talking about. A very popular shoe right now that used to be popular in the 90s as well. I don't know if I'm supposed to say the brand name because I don't know if that's like troublesome for the brand, you know what I mean? But they look a lot like a specific shoe, but they are a lot cheaper. Like, I really want to get the shoes that I'm talking about, but they're really expensive. But even if I could justify paying that amount of money, those shoes aren't vegan, and these are. That's why I got these, because they look similar to a shoe I want. I really like them, and they're vegan, which that is important to me. So if that's important to you, there you go. I'm gonna get the other one out of the bag. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, that doesn't have any scratches on it or anything. Looks really good. They look really sturdy and everything. I'm really surprised. Alright, I'll put them on my feet now. Okay, so I got one on my foot, if you can see that, and it feels pretty roomy, but I don't know what it's gonna be like when I stand up, so I'm gonna do that right now. So I got the shoes on and I'm so happy because they actually fit. Now it is a little bit weird because I can feel something right here as if my toe is hitting the front of the shoe, but I can feel that they're not, but it's like the fake leather right here is kind of bent inwards and my toe is on top of that, if that makes sense. It's kind of weird, but I do have kind of a weird size, I guess. I usually get problems with shoes being slightly too snug or slightly too big. It's really annoying, but for the most part they fit because they're not uncomfortable, they don't hurt. I haven't walked in them for a long distance, if you know what I mean, but they seem comfortable and everything. So I'm really happy with that. I think they look really cool. It's just what they look like. Ignore all the hair on my tights. We got a dog here and also this rug sheds. But yes, this is them. Really like them. I'm pretty impressed so far. Okay, so these are the shoes once again. This is not a great way to show them, but yes, here they are. I really like them. They seem like great quality, especially for the price. Obviously, I don't know what the wear and everything will be like because I haven't worn them outside yet. And I have only had them since today. You know, I literally just put them on. They seem great and they're vegan and they look amazing. I mean, they'll do good in Instagram pictures. The sizing, my feet are weird. So yeah, I can feel the leather in the front that feels like it's kind of bent under my toe, but I can't really feel the end of the shoe or the front of the shoe. So it's not like they're too tight, but it feels like they'd almost be too tight, but they're still comfortable. I have this problem a lot with shoes where one size will be slightly too tight to where it's uncomfortable, and then the next size up will be far too big to make it work, but these are still comfortable and they don't hurt my feet so far. I'll see what it's like once I actually wear them outside and properly walk in them and everything like that, but for now I love them and that's pretty much my review. I hope it was somewhat helpful to some of you out there. I know I'm not great at explaining things, but yes, here we go. This is my review. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you later in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye!